so he gets all the praise. Oh, God made everything, so he gets all the praise. I can see what God made. I can see what God made. Oh, I can see what God made. I can see what God made. Everywhere, 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 everywhere. Oh, I can see what God made. I can see what God He made. Everything, everything. It's a matter of fact. It's a matter of fact. Everything, everything. To the moon and back. To the moon. He made everything, everything. It's a matter of fact. It's a matter of fact. Everything, everything. To the moon and back. To the moon and back.
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Aw, that's a good girl, Stormy Jane. Oh, hi, I'm Carrie the dog walker, and this is my best dog, Stormy Jane. I just love dogs. Do you have a pet dog? Or maybe a cat? I am so glad God made dogs. Hey, that reminds me of a true story from the Bible found in the book of Genesis. Do you want to hear it? Oh, good. This true story from the Bible begins in the very beginning. In the very beginning, there was nothing, but God was there. On day 1, God made light. On day 2, God made the sky above the water. On day 3, God made the land, the plants, and the seas. Now, can you hold up 4 fingers? On day 4, God made the sun, moon, and stars. Can you hold up 5 fingers? On day 5, God made the sea animals and birds. But God wasn't done yet. On day 6, God made the animals. And God didn't just make one kind of animal. God made zebras and kangaroos, sloths and elephants, and penguins and little mice. Hey, what's your favorite animal? Those are some good animals. Can you name an animal that is small? Good. Can you name an animal that is big? Great job. Did you know that God made frogs with really long tongues so they can catch flies? And God even made flying squirrels. They can glide from tree to tree. God is so creative. Do you know what else God made on day 6? God made His most special creation. God made, drum roll please, people. Can you point to yourself? Great job. Now say, God made me. Ready? God made me. Now, can you point to a friend? Great job. Now say, God made you. Ready? God made you. That's right. God made every single person. And God didn't make all people the same. God made everyone special and unique. Everyone has hair and eyes that are different colors. Some people are great painters, and some people are great basketball players. God is so creative. Do you know what God did after He made everything? On day 7, God rested. God stopped to look around at all the beautiful things He had made. God saw the sun, the land, the plants, the sea, the birds and the fish and the animals. God saw His most fantastic, amazing, most special creation, people. God looked at everything He had made, and what did God see? God saw that it was very good. Say, that's very good. Ready? That's very good. Great job. Now let's see if we can remember everything God made. What did God make on day 1? That's right, God made life on day 1. Can you tell me what God made on day 2? That's right, God made the sky above the water on day 2. Can you tell me what God made on day 3? Yes, God made the land, plants, and seas. Can you tell me what God made on day 4? Yes, God made the sun, the moon, and the stars. Can you tell me what God made on day 5? Yes, God made the sea animals and the birds. And can you tell me what God made on day 6? Yes, God made animals and people. Can you tell me what God did on day 7? God rested. You are so smart. Now, when you look around at the great big world and see animals and people, you can say, wow, God made everything. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. That's the truth, friends. See you next time. Bye.
Hello, everyone. We invite you to explore this week's Family Activity Guide. You can download it from our Facebook parent group, our website, or access it directly on your phone. Inside, you'll find engaging activities that make it easy to nurture your preschoolers' faith at home. It includes clear talking points, guides you through a simple and fun activity, and it guides you through prayer and much more. Choose when and how you like to use these wonderful resources, and you'll be amazed at how much our preschoolers learns right alongside you. We have one amazing in-person Sunday service for kids. If your family is interested in attending in-person service, please join us on either our Birmingham, Alabama, or Columbus, Georgia campus. For more details about the in-person service on the campus you attend, special days when we worship together in the main sanctuary as a family, and much more, please visit faithchapel.net/family for more details. Enjoy your day.